Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, March the 30th, 2010. Well, more solid downside price rejection from the cloud, or the Kumo, and the market attempted to trade up outside of the top of the cloud, and the sellers came in and sold the market off for the market to close within the cloud. So a market that's trading within the cloud is a neutral market, and this is really a market that we're waiting to see how it develops. We have a very thin part of the cloud coming up over the next week or so, and there is potential for the market to break out within either direction, either to the downside or the upside. If the market does break out to the downside, then we have very well-defined solid support down below, but also some decent resistance up above. Probably the support below is stronger than the resistance that may be tested up above. The resistance is really highlighted by the swing highs over the last few months, and there are areas where the market may sell off if it does approach those areas. So any potential upside breakout will need to be we'll need to consider the fact that there is fairly close by resistance, but any downside breakout we need to consider that there is solid support down below. So really not a market that we really want to trade in this time frame. The market is still trading within the cloud, as we've said, and trading just below the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. So the market is bearish in the medium term and short term time frames, but those two indicators are pointing sideways as well, indicating that the market really doesn't have any definite direction in those two time frames. We can see that the Kijun Sen held as resistance on the for the previous candle, and the market may find potential resistance there initially if it does trade up and break out again to the upside above the cloud. Also, the Tenkan Sen can hold as potential support or resistance too, but the market is trading within that region right now. So not a terribly exciting market. There are probably better markets that we can look to trade rather than gold at the moment.